10 days after it was announced, DALL-E 3 appears to have already been made available to the public through Microsoft's image creator tool. Digital art creator communities on Reddit and Twitter discovered significantly improved images and text interpretation capabilities were available through Bing. The upgrade, widely believed to be DALL-E 3, is still not available via the OpenAI website. DALL-E 3, the latest iteration of OpenAI's image generation model, which will soon be available to ChatGPT Plus users. The new art generator has been specifically created to understand significantly more nuance and detail than its predecessors DALL-E and DALL-E 2. This allows users to translate their ideas into exceptionally accurate images with ease. Even when given the same prompt, DALL-E 3 delivers significant improvements over DALL-E 2. DALL-E 3 is a much-anticipated upgrade to the immensely popular DALL-E 2i image generator from OpenAI. While ChatGPT, OpenAI's generative AI chatbot and text-based tool, enjoys a dominant position in its space, DALL-E faces stiff competition from tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. In a YouTube influencer MatVidPro stated, "This blows anything we've seen before out of the water. It's insane," he said at the time. "Midjourney cannot compete at this level. I don't even think Midjourney version 6 would be able to compete at this level." When DALL-E 3 was officially announced, its improved capabilities were clear, with guardrails meanwhile put in place for the public. At the time, it appeared that paid customers of OpenAI's ChatGPT Plus and enterprise products would get access first. If you would like to use the new art generator unveiled by OpenAI this month for free, this guide will provide a quick overview of how you can use the DALL-E 3i art technology and its features. Accessing and using the DALL-E 3i image generator for free can be accomplished using Bing Image Creator, enabling those interested to test out the power of the new OpenAI DALL-E 3i art generator, testing its capabilities and comparing it to other image generators and showcasing examples. One of the unique features of DALL-E 3 is its integration with ChatGPT, another model developed by OpenAI. This integration allows users to use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner and refiner of prompts. Users can simply ask ChatGPT what they want to see in anything from a simple sentence to a detailed paragraph, and ChatGPT will generate tailored, detailed prompts for DALL-E 3. Integration with ChatGPT will be rolled out very soon during October 2023. Until then, you can test out its capabilities using the Bing Image Creator online service. Access to DALL-E 3 can be gained by logging into Bing Image Creator through a Microsoft account using different web browsers, such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Brave, or Firefox. To test if you have access to DALL-E 3, you can type in a complicated text prompt that DALL-E 2.5 could not generate. If the text comes out clear, then you have access to DALL-E 3. OpenAI has also taken steps to limit DALL-E 3's ability to generate violent, adult, or hateful content. This is in line with the organization's commitment to responsible AI development and deployment. The system also has mitigations to decline requests that ask for a public figure by name, addressing potential privacy concerns. The safety performance of DALL-E 3 has been improved in risk areas like generation of public figures and harmful biases related to visual over-under representation. This has been achieved in partnership with red teamers, domain experts who stress test the model to inform risk assessment and mitigation efforts in areas like propaganda and misinformation. DALL-E 3 has been described as a Midjourney killer, outperforming other image generators in every use case. It can generate images of copyrighted properties and famous people, although some images of famous people may be rejected by Bing Image Creator. The image generator can produce detailed, photorealistic images and can generate images with text not included in the prompt. The capabilities of DALL-E 3 are truly impressive. It is capable of generating detailed, high-quality images of a wide variety of subjects, from famous characters to complex scenes. The level of detail it can achieve is remarkable, such as the whiskers on a cat or the texture of a lemon. OpenAI has also taken steps to ensure the ethical use of DALL-E 3. It is designed to decline requests that ask for an image in the style of a living artist, and creators can now opt their images out from training of future image generation models. Like previous versions, DALL-E 3 has limitations to generate violent, adult, or hateful content. It also has mitigations to decline requests that ask for a public figure by name. DALL-E 3 represents a significant leap forward in image generation. Its integration with Bing Image Creator has made it more accessible, and its capabilities have set a new standard in the field. So there you have it, DALL-E 3 is an absolutely insane advance in image generation, and it's available right now for free. Go try it out and let me know what you think. Smash like if you were as impressed by DALL-E 3 as I was, and subscribe for more news and experiments. See you next time!